Hello everyone and welcome back to MB Natural Remedies, the channel that provides great natural health and fitness solutions. In today's video, we will cover a natural healthy solution to bad constipation and irregular bowel movement by way of showing you the ultimate green smoothie recipe that is proven to work magic for this frequent unhealthy gut issue. We will list the main causes of constipation and how the green smoothie is effective against this problem. So before we get started, make sure you show your support to the channel by subscribing, interacting with the video and donating to the channel. It will really help me out to continue in my work of bringing you awesome and beneficial content rich videos. So without further ado, let's begin. This natural green smoothie works wonderful helping you get rid of stubborn constipation fast. You won't believe it. It is 100% high in fiber and tastes good as well. It's not a nice feeling to be going around being constipated, as this can cause you huge discomfort like gas, bloating, stomach cramps, indigestion, exhaustion and feeling of disgust. It's a great thing that you took the time to watch this video for a natural solution to constipation, because consuming this green smoothie will effectively relieve you of this problem. There has been thorough research about green smoothie recipes by food researchers and scientists, and has discovered many amazing benefits these have on your general health, particularly in maintaining healthy guts and helping you with better digestion only if it was made part of a daily diet plan. Factors affecting the regularity of your bowel movements are age, diet, and daily activities. So the normal occurrence usually ranges from thrice daily to weekly on average. In an ideal and healthy circumstances, you should be having a bowel movement once to thrice daily. What causes constipation? Poor diet, living a sedentary and unhealthy lifestyle, stress, certain medications like antacids, antidepressant drugs, narcotics, and diuretics may cause constipation as secondary effects. Hormonal problems, magnesium deficiency. Taking medication on a long-term basis can lead to more health complications. So read well side effects in drug labels before consumption and communicate well with your doctor. Your bodies need instead a natural healthy solutions to get healthy again. How smoothies help constipation? Green smoothies act as natural gut cleansers and aid in waste elimination. Due to the high water and fiber content found in the green smoothie raw ingredients, these help control and eradicate constipation. Unlike cooked and processed foods, the puree-based drinks retain several beneficial components such as flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamin C, and dietary fibers that will keep you constipation free for as long as you take them. How to make a green smoothie. This video shows you how easy it is to make a green smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of raspberries, ½ cup of cooked broccoli, ½ cup raw sweet potato, 1 large apple with skin, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 4 tablespoons of dried apricots, 1 cup of water, or for an extra boost, or green tea. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. If we're using frozen ingredients, what you can do to make this easier to blend is boil some water or steep 1 cup of green tea in a jug for 3 minutes and then pause that over the frozen ingredients. It defrosts the frozen ingredients and makes it easier to blend. You can also leave frozen ingredients to thaw first. Take the green smoothie 1 to 2 times a day as a meal replacement and plenty of water, minimum of 8 cups of water daily, until your constipation disappears and you regain good gut health. Many people feel better within 1 to 2 days. If you like to maintain good regular bowel movement, then make this green smoothie a part of your regular diet plan. If your constipation persists, please speak to your doctor. Give us your feedback after you tried this great recipe in the comment section. There you have it guys, your most effective natural green smoothie recipe that will relieve you from constipation in just 1 day. If you like the video, press the like button and share, Let us know your feedback, opinions and suggestions in the comment section down below. We do have other interesting videos that you should check out in the channel as well. For more and instant notifications of new natural remedies, alternative health and fitness solutions and videos, subscribe and press the bell icon. If you'd like to financially support and help the channel, please press the PayPal donation button up on the right corner of the channel art or the link in the video description section. Thank you very much and see you all in the next video.